Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to remove fingerprint lock in Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the fingerprint paste in password. Okay, you only have to do is click this. And okay guys, here in fingerprint paste in password, okay, go to biometrics. And okay guys, here in biometrics, you can see the fingerprints. You only have to do is click fingerprint. And okay guys, we need to enter the lock screen password before to continue. And okay guys, here in fingerprint, okay, you can see the finger one. And okay guys, to remove this fingerprint lock on your Realme 5 mobile phone, okay, you only have to do is delete the finger one. Okay, to do that, you only have to do is click the delete icon button. And the pop-up will show and delete fingerprint. Okay, you only have to do is select the delete button. And okay guys, we have successfully removed the fingerprint lock in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.